welcome back to the channel. So you guys have asked, oh, my suitcase is making all the noise. You guys have asked, and yes, I am going to be doing another shopping video. So today I'm heading to Costco to get some stuff. If you don't know what Costco is, it's like a Price Mart in Jamaica. So I went last year summer, and my god, this suitcase is making a lot of noise. I went last year summer and I bought a whole bunch of stuff, and I still have a few stuff, but I'm a bit fancy because I don't have any Costco membership. Yeah, you have to have a membership to shop there. So Fancy is gonna come with me and we're gonna do some shopping. Yeah, I carry my suitcase because this place you buy in bulk. So last year I was not prepared. I carried a small ass suitcase, and my suitcase wheels actually burnt off on the asphalt. So I'm better prepared this time. Costco is about 37 minutes away from my home, and this includes a 16-minute walk from the station to Costco. We're here.
Are you seeing what soap stuff done?
Yeah, so I'm gonna get the things that aren't in the refrigerator first, like the seasoning, the laundry stuff, and then after I get the fruits, then the
Frozen fruits.
販売はしております。120ml しか入らず3500円もするお品物です。こちらが
What?
Have you ever tried it before?
Yeah.
You like it?
It's always been here though.
I guess I never really tried it. Peppermint one.
Lavender and regular.
No peppermint. Alright, I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so I'm looking for the laundry detergent.
Oh, on the other side. Way over there.
Really?
Yeah, seasoning on this side.
Alright,
so you can get seasoning.
Where's seasoning?
I think maybe.
I don't want to see stuff that I don't want, and then
But you can control that, you know. You can say not today.
really?
Not
But
today.
I never plan on buying this thing. But
Look how me coming here today, I'm not buying nothing more than one hot dog. And I love this place.
oh, I need oil. I need olive oil.
Okay. Not that one. The small packs.
Oh, this is vinegar.
This
Oh,
is
these are
dressing.
vinegar.
Dressing and vinegar. Let's go all the way up.
Oil. Canola oil.
Canola? No.
No.
Not that healthy. Get something healthy like olive.
Yeah, that's the
Extra virgin. Organic.
おやつもらう。使いが好きなのは飲むラム。
Look at the price for olive oil though. 3,500.
Because they're two, but we don't want that one. Let's see if we see any single one.
Oh, it's a tube.
Yeah, it's two.
But it's worth it, isn't it? Because it's a lot.
Yeah, but you really want that?
Yeah, because I cook with oil. I fry my egg with oil every day. And I fry my meat with oil.
It's
so
like
if I buy this, then I won't need to buy oil for like 2 years.
Look at
Should I
this.
leave Japan?
Look at these people.
Yeah.
Sasha just want to get this so she don't have to come back down here and think about getting these again.
If I'm baking, I don't need to worry about getting oil and shit.
Alright.
Yeah. So, what do you think? Yeah, I think it's worth it. Because
Alright.
with one oil, it's like almost 1,000 yen, and it's
Yes.
very small. So this is worth it.
It's 3
anyway.
liters, so you get value.
Yes, alright, so I'm gonna get it.
Alright, get it.
Shit, this thing is heavy. Come on, can I take over this?
Let me take it out.
Okay.
Perfect. There we go.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Wait. Seasoning. Oh, I don't need none of that.
Other side.
You know, sometimes when I forget to buy stuff at the supermarket,
Yeah.
I just use this. I make like a 1-pot meal, rice with tuna, like a seasoned rice type of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Okay. Oh, that's chicken breast though.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Even better than fish. Vietnamese. Have you ever tried it?
Yeah.
Is it
It's
good?
good. It's good. But these are tiny ones though.
It's fine. I can use 2. Yeah.
興味はあるけどさ、度胸はない。
I think the seasoning. Alright, let's try the other side.
Mac and cheese.
This is my weakness, guys.
You know, I don't really fancy mac and cheese right now.
Oh my god, this is my weakness. Every time I come in here, I try to just look away. Look away.
I don't really fancy mac and cheese.
Because I'm not eating dairy stuff right now.
Oh, well, if you're not eating, I won't buy it then. Because I don't really want it. What does this look like in Jamaica?
Cement.
Yeah. What
Carib
is it?
cement is rice.
What? Brown rice?
Yeah. If it's brown rice, I would get it, you know?
But it's brown rice there.
It's brown rice, 30 kilograms.
Yeah, and the thing is, like, one of this is like 3,500 or so.
In the
This is
supermarket.
This is way worth it. Just to load and shit.
Exactly. You have to like
No, but I don't eat brown
have a
rice.
car.
I don't like brown rice. So. Nope.
Yeah.
This is Japanese rice.
Yeah.
I don't want that. I don't need the rice. I buy rice online. No.
Online.
This, definitely. I think I bought this last year in here. And I still have a few left. So it means that I've had this for like a year. So yeah, it lasts long.
So you drink a Lipton tea.
Yes, every morning.
Very British.
I've never tried Cheerios before, but I don't want it.
Me neither.
Yeah, because next thing I buy it and I don't like it and I don't have anybody to give it to.
Oh my god! Frosted Flakes, guys. Frosted Flakes. All-time favorites.
not a cereal kind of person.
I do oatmeal. That's all. That's about it.
Oh yeah.
The things. This is nice though, because this has almonds and this is very healthy stuff.
Too expensive, and it's not something that I would enjoy. It's not something I would want to eat.
Healthy.
But I'm gonna get the Quaker oats.
Okay.
Yeah, it's big. This is expensive in Caldi. Caldi is where I usually buy my coconut water, and an international store here.
Well, it's inexpensive, so that's good.
Yeah.
And I think it's 2 bags.
And it's 2 big bags. You know what? A small pack of this one, but I haven't been using it. Yeah, I always forget to add it to my meals.
This is what I have, but it's.
This is what you
I
have.
have a love-hate relationship with this thing. Quinoa.
Quinoa. What is it good for?
It's just very organic and healthy, like brown rice, and yeah, it's a superfood. Yeah. But I think it should be mixed with brown rice. That's just my preference. Like, some people just eat it like that. I tried to eat it like that, and I'm like, maybe it would taste better with brown rice. Look at this.
Have you ever tried it before?
What?
This.
No?
It looks like something that I would enjoy.
This has too much sweets. Remember, I'm like none sugar, none dairy.
Okay.
So I just walk past all these things that have fructose and high sugar.
Okay. I would buy this because it's chocolate and I like chocolate.
Hershey cocoa beans.
What is this? Is this mango or what fruit is this?
I think.
Peach.
Oh yeah.
Oh hell no.
Peaches, guys. Peaches and cream. And 800 something.
Yeah, not that bad.
I have this. I have this forever.
Fried raisins.
Cranberries. Well, I have the cranberry one. This one is raisin. Oh, these are cranberries. Yeah, these are cranberries. It's red. See them? Cranberries.
Why haven't you been using it?
I have. It's just that it takes forever to finish. But it's good for girls.
Boiled meat.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's good for
Yeah.
uterus.
Okay.
Organic maple syrup, guys, and my very favorite organic. Yeah.
Honey's too expensive.
My favorite nut butter of all time. Nut butter, guys. I have this. I need to start using it again. It's perfect. It's better than peanut butter.
What is that?
It's a nut butter. So it's still creamy like peanut butter, but it has super food and super nuts.
Oh, you can
Almond, cashew, pumpkin, chia seed. Okay.
mixed nuts. So this can go in smoothies?
Yes, I use it to make my overnight oatmeal.
Alright, I'm gonna get one.
Okay.
But is it oil?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Healthy oil.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, most people who work out usually get those things.
Yeah, I'm trying to get.
Expensive honey, guys. Look at this.
I look how it's small. Look at this.
500 grams.
Oh hell no. Look. And then look at this big one. For
This is-
way less.
Quality.
What's the difference?
Where it was made.
Over here, they're
bees.
royalty.
Royalty.
Yes, and then these ones
They're
are
from
commoners.
heaven.
This is for 1,378, guys.
I'm gonna get.
It's on. And it's bigger.
It's way bigger.
Oh yeah, I need to show the price.
Organic, honey. This is what I need. Next time I'm coming, I'm gonna get this. But I already have some. It's not finished yet. But we're getting this.
Honey beer. Look at this. Milo.
The food drink of champions.
And it's for 728 yen. But I ain't getting it. I haven't drank Milo in a long time. But I'm not missing out on anything.
What about Swiss Miss?
I don't really use that. I
Okay.
stick to my Tetley tea or peppermint tea or shit like that. You know, I need some peppermint tea.
Tetley. I haven't heard that name in ages.
Lipton. Sorry, Lipton.
I haven't heard that in ages.
That's my mom's favorite type of tea.
Tetley tea.
Tetley
Oh
tea.
my god.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm definitely getting this strawberry too. My favorite.
Sasha's getting excited, guys, about
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, because I always buy it. They're expensive as stuff.
And she can get this one thing for 500.
Yeah. And the small one is for almost 300 yen in the supermarket.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back for this because I don't want it to melt. I'll come back for the fruits because this is the frozen fruit section.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna come back for
Alright, so if you want spices,
pizza.
if you want spices, we should probably use this way and go back to the front and then come back around.
Alright.
Alright, let's do that.
So go this.
Yeah. Just go way up to the first row.
The last time I bought salt and garlic. And it lasts long and I like it. Adding it to my meals. Oh, here it is. I found it. This one. Do you remember it?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. It lasts long and I like it. Garlic salt. Alright. I need probably black pepper and some.
Black pepper?
How much for this? Black pepper for 5.9, whatever. Yeah. This one don't have much night. This one have a lot more. Oh wait. Yeah, it does have a lot more.
Okay.
Black pepper and I need some the red pepper looking thing. What other seasoning do you usually get?
Just what do I get? From here it's just pink Himalayan salt.
Oh,
Because I have Jamaican seasoning.
I need some Jamaican tea. I need some Maggi seasoning.
Okay.
But I'm looking for the pepper, the red pepper. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, very good.
Cayenne?
Yeah. I like this one. I think. Should I get two? What do you think? Because I'm not coming back here. What? Get one. I use it every day in my egg, you know, egg and black pepper, and plus in my.
It's
when I
tiny.
season.
Get one more.
Okay. All right, and it's for 528 yen for one.
There we go. For the pepper. The red pepper. Oh my god.
What is that?
Beetroot powder. Organic.
How much for it? Almost 2,000
2,000.
yen. They have turmeric. Turmeric for 1,000.
Oh crap, I'm gonna get this next time because I have some at home that I use this every day in the medicine that I make.
Oh, they have a big black pepper. Oh, no, that's the. Alright, so what's
With the
next?
black pepper extract. I want natural stuff. Ground turmeric. Woo! This is it, Sash. 400.
I think this is one that I use.
I have a whole big tin, so I guess next time I just get it here because I usually go Kanai and get it there.
Taco rice. This is taco rice is popular in Okinawa. Everywhere you go, you see taco rice on the menu. but it had in pork, so I didn't get it. Oh man, I need shoes. Alright, so we're gonna get some stuff to the laundry stuff now.
Alright, on the other side. Princess. Disney princesses.
Oh no, these are expensive.
Babies?
No, these can fit me. So they stretch. What do you think?
No.
No? This dishwashing liquid. But I'm looking for the other type, not this flavor. But let me go down here. Oh, this lasts me for an entire year. I diluted it and I added bleach to it, so it lasted like for an entire year.
That's good.
Yeah.
I don't know if that would work for me because my dishwashing liquid finishes all the time.
Really? You got one like this?
No, but next time I'll try that one.
Yeah. Because it's very thick, so you don't even need a lot when you're diluting it.
Okay.
I need some bleach. All over that side.
Yeah. Pine Sol. Do you want to buy Pine Sol, guys?
I got it the last time. The liquid coffee softener. I'm gonna get it again. And get this side.
You're gonna get Downy or Kirkland?
Oh, I'm gonna get the cheaper option.
Downy. Kirkland.
Bliss, which is cheaper.
Probably Downy is more expensive.
Yeah, it is.
Downy is always like that, you know? I've never tried the Bliss. I've always gone for the original. Downy Bliss. Okay.
I'm looking for, you know, the little thing that you're dropping in the thing. I don't know how to say it. I got a pack that had in 2, and that I still have some left over from last year. So I'm trying to find it. That's what you use to wash.
Is it for washing?
Yeah, you just drop one in it.
Oh, those things.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Alright. Okay, we'll see if we find it.
Oh, there it is over there.
Okay, good. The attack one. I don't know if that's the brand.
I'm gonna
Ariel.
Yeah, I think 2 comes in. Here is it one of the 2 of them?
More than lately.
Is it this one? It had in 2 packs when I got it, but I don't remember if it was this one. But I'm gonna get it.
Ariel ball. So we're gonna get frozen fruits.
Yeah, let's try the fruit section.
Alright.
Oh, let's try the meat section.
Oh, you want meat?
I'm gonna see what kind of meat they have. Pastry choice beef. This thing expires the 6th. When is what?
The 6th is tomorrow.
I can buy this.
7. They're all September 7th. Yeah, they're all 7.
Okay, alright, I'm gonna just get one.
What else do you want to get? Oh, meat.
Let's go out for meat time that they have. I can
Music guy. Where are you going later? Oh, chicken. I forgot you love this thing. I forgot you were always eating this whole chicken.
But I can't cook that.
I
I don't
get
have anything.
rotisserie for 600.
Oh no, I don't like the rotisserie chicken.
Oh.
Alright, I don't like these. I don't like whatever.
I
Nope.
thought you were gonna get that. Isn't that your favorite?
I'm not buying it.
Okay.
Let's go. I think I'm not.
So what are you gonna eat? What kind of meat are you gonna eat? I'll prepare for lunch.
I have food at home.
Okay.
I just need to cook some rice to eat with it. And yeah. But I'm wondering, maybe I should get it, you know? Because I need meat. Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Is that the one you always get?
I think so. And this is a whole lot for this price. Wait. Alright. Let me get it.
What's the difference, Sash?
That one had a blood stain in it.
Oh, no,
yes.
that one.
Oh, that one I think has fat in it.
Okay.
More fat. But it's cheaper.
Well, take that one there. Less work.
Yeah, because we have to take out the fat. Alright. So let's go to the fruit section over there. This
Yeah.
side, that side.
Fruits section.
Ooh. Traffic blocking.
You come this way. Come this way. Careful, because that ain't happening.
Apple. There's no way I can eat so many apples. So I can't get that.
So families,
Yeah,
big size.
I can't manage that. Oh, kiwi.
Okay. Maybe they always do. Oh, let's see. Logi, we have 10 minutes, Sash. New Zealand. Where is she? No, I can't find her. Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. I don't think they want us to stay in here too long. Nice. Amazing. Where is she?
I just got
I'm gonna catch you. Take a
Oh,
peek.
okay. All right, so frozen. Where's the frozen?
Oh, right,
All right, so
this
that's
way.
and then we'll leave.
All right. That and then we join line. Cause we can't just live so.
Well, yeah, you know what I'm
Limes and watermelon, guys. Andrew can big up yourself for the watermelon, them yo. Watermelons, guys. That is a liqueur.
Yeah.
Oh, you need your mango juice, right? So down there's a straight ahead.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Mango
And the milk,
yes,
the oat milk or
yeah, the
almond milk.
But guys, if you need fridge is for 67,800.
Yes, so maybe you should go on Mottainai, Japan, and see if people are giving away stuff. These are expensive. This is a really nice deep freeze. I don't know if you guys have space for this, but like, yeah, that's how much it costs. And then you can get all these nice things. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh. Yes. 938 yen. Carpets. What is that? Where did she go? She got her cheese. Sasha's getting cheese, guys. She's all about dairy products. $8.99.
It's too expensive, but which one do you think is better? This one or the sliced cheese?
Is the sliced one like in different packets?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I would do that one because this one you're gonna have to
cut
seal it,
every time.
and you have to try to seal it so that it doesn't like go bad. So we're getting the sliced one instead, guys.
And it has 3. Perfect. If it's not sealed, that's fine.
Yeah,
At least I don't have
it's
to cut
not,
it.
but it's cool.
I don't have to cut it, so that's a good thing.
Guys, do you like cheese as much as Sash do? I don't think so. This girl, she like has cheese for days.
Yeah, every morning.
Every morning. I don't even eat breakfast sometimes. We want the mango juice and we want
And the almond milk.
the next.
Alright, so right there is blocked.
Yeah. That's not it. Probably. Guys, how much do you think all of this cost? Comment down below and let us know if you think it is worth shopping here at Costco. Isn't that salmon? That's salmon, right?
Yeah, it's a 2,000. Do you think it's worth it or not?
Yeah, it is. Because they're huge pieces. So you wanted sliced fish?
I always buy salmon, so I guess this would be a good deal to get it. Yeah, no?
3 pieces in the supermarket is about 700, you know.
700.
Yeah, 6 or 700.
Oh, so it's more cheaper. It's cheaper in the
In the supermarket. If you get 3 pieces. It's just that these sizes are bigger. Saj is trying to find her mango juice at this time, guys. She loves that thing to death. Yeah. Okay, so she found some milk. She doesn't want the soy milk. She wants almond milk. So that's soy. This is oats. Oat milk. And they have the almond milk that she wants. Mango juice. Mango.
Let's try over that side.
I doubt it. Those are tissue papers.
I see some juice right here.
Some red something,
Oh,
right?
that's water.
Oh.
Alright,
I think it's probably somewhere down there, so. Orange. Why wouldn't they have it though? Want the mango juice?
Yeah, but there's none in here.
Check this out, Sash. You never good on in pods.
Alright.
The almond milk is reasonably priced.
1,700.
There we go. You can get a lot. It's not?
No. Oh, see, because it's big.
Alright, let's do that then.
Okay. Alright. So here they are. Any mango?
No, those are mixed ones. No straight mango. You want blueberries?
No, I don't like blueberries.
Okay. 2 strawberries?
Strawberry.
Because you can do strawberry banana.
I'll get the mixed one because I don't want so many strawberries.
Alright.
Yeah, I think
Guys, this is like $30,000. I swear. Anyways, get the ice cream that you want. We're getting ice cream. Well, Sash is getting ice cream. I don't do ice cream.
my favorite ice
Haven't had ice cream in ages, guys.
Alright, so now it's time to check out.
Let's go join the long lines. I hope there's nobody up there. When I walk through.
Get my purse.
Here we go, guys. This is the grocery haul.
Yeah.
Comment down below how much you think you're going to cost us.
Bear in mind, it's gonna serve me for 1 year. Yeah. 'Cause I
Not
live
this.
alone. Well, yeah, not this. Probably 1 month or a few weeks.
I think mine's finished within a week.
Well, I know they go bad very easily. So this and the bread, I have to try and eat it as quickly as possible. But everything else, I'm gonna take my time with it because I need it to last for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and I thought if I can.
Oh my god.
Never got any banana. That's fine.
Get anyone?
Banana.
Oh.
Let's see if I can afford it now. Oh, the lunch line is long as hell.
No, but I get none. I really want the hot dog, but damn. Like, damn. I mean, they always move fast still, but damn.
Look, 30, no, look fine, cut it close out.
Oh my god. Guys,
Oh my god.
this is the damage.
30,000. And what?
400 and
I don't
okay,
have
40.
any marking.
Alright.
That's my 2 months grocery budget, guys.
Well, that's not bad if it's 2 months. Not bad.
Thank you.
Not bad. Mine is 18.
18 per month?
18,000. For 2 months.
What the hell? What you be buying?
I don't know. I'm gonna say so because I healthy food. I don't know. Yeah. And technically you have stuff in here that's gonna last way longer, like
because I don't,
there's
yeah, that and I don't need
is,
to buy any soap, anything or whatever. So I gotta put all of these into my suitcase. Okay, so my backpack is filled, my suitcase is full, and I have a few stuff left to put in. So I'm gonna get a Costco bag for these. So I got this Costco bag for how much? $3.88.